The liver is the second largest organ in the human body, and it has a special circulatory arrangement known as the hepatic portal system, in which blood from the digestive tract carrying the remains of the last meal go directly to the liver. Primitive chordates not only have a homologue of the liver, this homologue also includes a hepatic portal system like that seen in the vertebrates. Many of the features of the muscular system of primitive chordates are shared with advanced vertebrates, such as sections of muscle in the head region, which vertebrates will use to move the eye, V-shaped somites, whose muscle blocks can be seen in the body wall of fish, a homologue of the trapezius muscle, which moves gills in fish, but which can move the shoulder and head in humans, an anal sphincter, and other muscular changes as well. The human immune response is incredibly complex, and among the components which it uses are the MHC proteins, which allow cells to detect self, natural killer cells, sections of antibodies, proteins which function in complement cascades, and all of these components are known in primitive chordates, which do not have the complexity of the human immune response, but which nevertheless share some of its components. In female chordates, the cells of the follicles, which do not leave the ovary at ovulation, form a corpus luteum, which secretes hormones which maintains the uterine lining. Keratin is the primary protein in the integument of vertebrates. It composes the majority of the human epidermis, hair, nails, and also scales of reptiles, feathers of birds, the horns of rhinos, and many other integumentary structures. Although invertebrate chordates do not have hair or nails or those structures, they do incorporate keratin, the protein, into their integument. The foundations of much of the vertebrate endocrine system were laid down in primitive chordates as well. Primitive chordates possess a homologue of the pituitary gland, a hypothalamic region of the brain which produces hormones, hormone-secreting cells of the digestive tract, and the homologues of insulin, calcitonin, the gonadotropins, gastrin, secretin, and even a prolactin-like hormone. And so there were many advances of the endocrine system in primitive chordates which vertebrates share.